because it's awesome. Ready? Inverted start. Okay, I need my marshals. Okay, drivers on the stand. Turn 180 degrees. Turn around and face the back wall until we say go. No cheating. On the sound of the horn, turn back around. Less than 5. Marshall. Katie's getting a nice job, Marshall. Matt Sharp managed to make us all the way through to the front. Coming through, Matt Sharp. Joe Rudd was in second. Jeff third. Ken fourth. Oh, he's upside down. Helping the sweeper. Here comes the battle for the lead. The two white cabs. Matt and Joe, it's a tight race going to the infield through the 180, back through the straight chicane. Now coming back onto the sweeper. Let's see who has what. That runs a 14.61, Joe a 14.60. It's tight, they're coming up on back travel. They make it through. They're rolling.
5 minutes left.
Oh, it's tight, coming down the straight. Joe looks inside, no room. He's looking again. Beep, beep. He pushes him. You're supposed to push him away from the turn. Matt survives the first strike from Joe. Joe gets it right, and he's right behind him. Jeff Huntsman hanging on to third. Ken's closing in. He's on... Ken's on 8 wheels out there. I don't know how. He's only got 4 on the car. A mid 40 down drivers. Here we go. Battle for the lead. Heating up. They're right behind Ken coming down the straightaway. Joe's inside. Full pull. Oh, and tips. Gets it righted. Matt's surviving. Maybe not necessarily the fastest truck, but he is not rolling under. 2 down, 4 to go. Jeff trying to work his way around Tom. They're coming down the straightaway now. Oh no, Feathers again flips it over. No, now Tom's on his side. They're right at thank you Marshalls. 3:30 to go. And again, the battle's heating up for the lead. Matt's got it. Joe wants it. Here he comes. Boom, they touch. It's still clean. Matt retains the lead, but yet again, Joe with a 14.0 last pass. 14.6 for Matt. They're duking it out. They're about 2 feet apart. Oh no, lane closures. Watch out, drivers. Oh no, Joe gets in trouble. Matt stretches out his lead. Halfway, drivers, halfway. Joe gets around Tom. He's trying to shorten that distance to the lead once again. 14.5 for Matt, 14.2 for Joe, 15.5 for Jeff. Oh no, Feather's upside down. The leader gets slight. Oh, and Joe upside down. Or on the side, I guess I should say. That gets a little more of a breather again. 2:20 to go, drivers. Who is it? Oh no, Feather's in trouble on the sweeper. Joe having problems. Matt now has a decent lead. He's got some comfort padding there between him and Joe. Huntsman still in third. Just under 2 minutes, drivers. Last pass 14-4 for Matt. 13-88 for Joe. .130 left to go. Can Joe do it? That's a pretty big gap. .3.9 behind. I don't know if he can make it. Minute 15. And leader gets in trouble. No, that was Joe once again. Feathers on his side. He gets righted. 14-4 for the leader. Joe runs a 16-9. That's going to give him even more cushion. 14-6 for Matt. You heard the lady, 1 minute. Still Matt, Joe, Jeff, Ken, and Tom. 45 seconds, drivers. Matt looking for a way around Tom. Tom gives room. Oh. Carnage. 9 seconds. Joe right on the back of Matt once again. 3 seconds. I don't think they're going to make it. Oh, and they're done. Wow. Wow. We're going to need the video camera for this finish. Keep going, Huntsman. Keep going, Tom. That's going to do it. 25, 602, 136 for Matt. 25, 602, 173 for Joe. Insane.
Well, we didn't have to say not to be the first. I have to set that for the main to show the first lap's not the fast lap. Yeah. I'll be right back. Yeah.
Well, the tunnel is fully engaged.
Yeah. The only place I can hit it is top. I don't have him. I got you. Ask Ken, he might have some. He's got that's ready. There you go. Did you unplug me, Mikey? I didn't do that. Dead light ones. I just don't know what happened. I only ran it once. Bring it back. 2 weeks ago, it's still plugged in. includes me, Tom.
Is it all the trucks together?
All the trucks are together.
We're gonna need more of the Marshall for it, coach.
I'm gonna get some marshals. When Kenny gets here, we'll get we need some volunteer marshals. Thank you, Katie. Your marshalling in. Okay, I've got Katie marshalling, I'm marshalling, Tom's marshalling. Vaughn, can you volunteer on this one? Thanks, sir.
My motor's fast. It's horrible.
Just tell me about it.
Captain Holshock getting ready.
I think it's that Edgewater, Tri-State, doing the burnout. Woo!
All right, everybody's checked. Yeah, everybody's checked. Running order. Matt Sharp, Nick Long, Mike Pulper, Don Raines, Mooney Sr., Brassel, Smart, and Huntsman.
You're wrong, you're first.
Oh, nobody told me that.
Now you know.
Why are we inverting them?
Because we took a hard time.
Can we take a
All right, all right. All right, give me Huntsman at 1, Smart at 2, Brassel at 3, Mooney at 4, Raines at 5, Pulper at 6, Long at 7, and Sharp at 8.
Woo, way back.
Yeah, 7 foot. Woo, way to get me back. Is this 2 trucks?
Yes.
3?
Brassel. 4 is Mooney. 5 is Raines. 6 is Puffy. 7 is Long. And 8 is Sharp. No, yeah, there you go.